Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about cooking, specifically having alternate cooking sources or alternate ways to cook for whatever circumstance might come your way. Now, I know we've talked about different things cooking on some of the live streams, different ways to cook, different heat sources and stuff. So you can go back. Excuse me. I know we've talked about different ways of cooking on live streams lately and in the past as well. But you need to think about different ways that you can cook meals if your normal ways of cooking are not available to you, whether it's a power outage, a broken gas line, running out of propane in your tank, whatever it is. Think about different ways that you can cook. And not only different ways you can cook, but different ways you can cook in different seasons. Because sometimes you can cook one way in the summertime that you can't cook that way in the wintertime. And vice versa. Examples would be if you have one of those sun ovens, yeah, you can use that in the summertime all you want. Not so much when it's snowing out. Also, if you have a wood burning stove, you can cook in the stove in the wintertime, whereas you're not going to be running that stove in the middle of a hot summer. So there are some options there for you to think about and start doing some planning, all right? Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn one or two new skills a month. And if you can, plant an indoor garden. We're going to be starting an indoor garden all year round challenge starting the first of the year next year. But use this year to learn, practice, and get ready for that challenge, all right?